This isn't just a classic Ford, it's the 1959 Skyliner with a roof that disappears at the push of a button, and today it's worth over $100,000. Imagine cruising down a boulevard in 1959 while every head turns your way, not because of the chrome, not because of the massive V8 under the hood, but because your entire steel roof magically folds itself into the trunk. Welcome to one of the greatest engineering masterpieces ever built by Ford. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Skyliner Retractable. Valued today at an impressive $100,900, this isn't simply a classic American car. It's a rolling work of art that represents the optimism, innovation, and luxury of the late 1950s. The moment you lay eyes on this Skyliner, you know you're looking at something extraordinary. Finished in a stunning combination of Colonial white and Fawn tan, the elegant two-tone paint perfectly captures the golden age of American automobiles. Bright, polished chrome stretches from bumper to bumper, while gleaming stainless steel trim reflects every beam of light. Wide white wall tires wrapped around classic Ford hubcaps complete the unmistakable period-correct appearance, making this car look as though it has just rolled out of a Ford showroom in 1959. Walk around to the rear, and one of the most distinctive styling elements immediately grabs your attention: the beautiful Continental Kit. This iconic rear-mounted spare tire instantly elevates the Skyliner's luxurious presence while emphasizing the glamorous styling trends of the era. Stainless steel fender skirts smoothly cover the rear wheels, creating long, uninterrupted body lines that give the car an elegant, flowing silhouette unlike anything built today. Then comes the feature that changed automotive history forever. With the press of a button, the forward-opening trunk lid lifts into the air. Mechanical motors begin their carefully synchronized dance as the fully retractable steel hardtop separates from the windshield frame. Slowly and gracefully, the roof folds itself into the trunk before the deck lid closes again, transforming the Skyliner from a stylish hardtop coupe into a luxurious open-air cruiser. Watching this remarkable system operate is mesmerizing, even more than 6 decades after it was introduced. Ford engineers created one of the world's first mass-produced retractable hardtops, and it remains one of the most fascinating mechanical achievements ever installed in an American automobile. Lift the forward-opening hood, and you'll discover another reason collectors admire this Skyliner. Nestled inside the engine bay is Ford's dependable FE 3 52 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary power plant delivers the smooth torque and effortless performance expected from a premium American Grand Touring car. Feeding the engine is a period-correct 4-barrel carburetor, ensuring authentic performance while preserving the vehicle's original character. Backing the powerful V8 is Ford's dependable 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, providing relaxed cruising and silky smooth gear changes. Whether you're driving through town or enjoying long highway journeys, the transmission perfectly complements the Skyliner's refined personality. Driving such a luxurious automobile is made effortless thanks to power steering, allowing surprisingly easy maneuverability despite the car's impressive size. Hydraulic power drum brakes provide dependable stopping power, while factory air conditioning ensures comfortable cruising even on warm summer afternoons. Beneath the body sits the factory rear end, maintaining originality and preserving the authentic driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. Ride quality is another area where the Skyliner shines. The independent front suspension uses coil springs to absorb road imperfections with remarkable smoothness, while the live rear axle, supported by semi-elliptic leaf springs, provides strength, durability, and comfortable highway cruising. Wide white wall tires not only enhance the vintage appearance, but also contribute to the soft, floating ride that defined luxury American automobiles of the late 1950s. Open the door and you're instantly transported into an era where automotive interiors resembled luxury living rooms. The beautiful coral, black, and white double bench seating creates an inviting atmosphere filled with color and elegance. The split front bench offers generous comfort, while matching rear seating provides plenty of room for passengers to enjoy every journey. The color-matched vinyl dashboard flows gracefully across the cabin, showcasing classic American styling at its finest. In front of the driver sits a beautifully designed three-spoke steering wheel, framed by factory gauges that provide essential driving information. A factory clock adds another touch of sophistication, while the original factory radio fills the cabin with timeless music, perfectly matching the Skyliner's nostalgic personality. Luxury continues with power windows, allowing effortless operation at the touch of a switch. Dedicated factory controls operate the retractable hardtop, while factory air conditioning controls maintain interior comfort regardless of the weather. Every detail inside the Skyliner reminds you that this was one of Ford's flagship luxury automobiles. Looking underneath reveals the level of care invested in this remarkable classic. The painted floor pans and black painted frame present a clean, detailed appearance worthy of a collector-grade vehicle. Dual exhaust outlets give the FEV8 a deep, unmistakable American soundtrack that perfectly complements the car's luxurious personality. New hardware, fresh brake lines, and new fuel lines further demonstrate the quality of the restoration and ensure dependable operation for years to come. What truly makes the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Skyliner Retractable so special isn't just its powerful V8, elegant styling, or luxurious interior. It's the incredible combination of engineering innovation and timeless design. At a time when most manufacturers were simply building convertibles, Ford engineered a fully automatic steel retractable roof that continues to amaze enthusiasts over 60 years later. Today, examples like this are highly sought after by collectors because they represent a unique chapter in American automotive history. Every chrome detail, every graceful body line, every push-button roof movement, and every mile behind the wheel reminds you why this extraordinary automobile remains one of the greatest luxury classics Ford ever produced. At $100,900, this Skyliner is more than a collector's car. It's a mechanical masterpiece, a symbol of American innovation, and a timeless icon that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. If you love rare classics, unforgettable engineering, and the elegance of the golden age of motoring, the 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Skyliner Retractable deserves a place at the very top of your dream garage.